Are you frustrated by longer work hours and decreased productivity? Are budget constraints limiting your startup's growth and hindering your staffing options? Do you want to save time, cut costs, and maximize productivity in your company? If you answered yes to any of these, listen up. VAR Africa offers tailored virtual administrative and executive support services for startup founders, C-level executives, and business owners. We handle your time-consuming admin tasks, freeing up half of your work hours, all at a fraction of the cost of hiring traditional employees. Our virtual assistants are ready to deliver immediate value, eliminating the need for staff facilities, training, or employee benefits. Start by booking a free 30-minute consultation call with us at www.varafrica.com. Delegate tasks to VAR Africa today.